Hey y'all, how's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing well. Alright guys, so today we're just basically doing some BoxyCharm updates. There is a date change on the choice and add-ons for August. We're going to look at a couple of their TikToks just to see if it might be possible future spoilers. And we're also going to take a closer look at that Hank and Henry lipstick that's going to be in the July base box. So if you're excited about this video, y'all go ahead and hit your thumbs up button. Also hit your subscribe button and make sure your bell's on. That way you're notified and you don't miss out on no spoilers. And before we get started, if you're new here, hi, I'm Mandy. I do a lot of makeup related videos. Now sometimes I'll go off track and do something else I'm interested in, but I promise not to disappoint you all the time. Now let's read that first comment from my last video, which was the AIA Beauty Bundle unboxing. Guys, that was a really great box. I loved it. Well, thank you so much, So Irie. So Irie says, "Morning, Mandy. Hope you're having a great weekend. You never disappoint. Great unboxing." Well, So Irie, thank you so much, honey. I'm so glad that y'all enjoyed that video. I really enjoyed the box. I mean, those products were amazing. I love Man & Kadar. And So Irie, I really appreciate you having your bell on and always coming and watching my videos. I love you, girl. And if you yourself would like to get a shout out, be sure to leave a comment under this video. You're going to have 1 out of 2 chances of getting it. You could either set your bell, try to be first at it, or you could be one of the comments I pick. You never know, I might pick you. Now stay tuned till the end when I read the comment that I did pick. Alright guys, before we dive into this madness, I'm going to put up a 5-second timer. If you're not subscribed to this channel, go ahead and do so during that time. You'll see a little red heart. It's going to turn a shade of blue for about a half a second, so don't blink. But it's also going to give you good luck for the rest of 2020, and who don't want that? So let's go ahead and do that. Well, welcome to the family, guys. Now let's go ahead and dive into this madness. Now first, let's go ahead and start with the date change. Now again, the August choice and add-ons, the dates have changed. So I want to make sure everybody knows about this so you can correct it, write it in your calendar, whatever you got to do. You don't want to miss out on this. You don't want to be the last one to choice and then they run out of your item or anything. So for August choice, the early access is going to be Wednesday, July 15th. And then for the August premium is going to be Monday, July 20th. Now the add-ons early access is going to be Wednesday, July 15th. I'm assuming usually all access is usually the next day with add-ons, but let's not get ahead of ourselves. Alright guys, so the next thing we're going to do, we're going to get a closer look at this Hank and Henry lipstick. Now again, this is going to be in the July base box, and the shade is Sexed. Now this is called their Luxe Lust lipstick. Now this is a matte lipstick, guys, so let's go ahead and watch that.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
And again, that is so exciting to see. That was an unreleased shade, so y'all will be getting it before anybody else. Or it might be the only one going out. Maybe they won't sell it separate. I don't know. Alright guys, now the next thing we're going to do is we're going to kind of look through their TikToks. And y'all let me know if these might be spoilers or if it's stuff in the past. I don't know. So the first video I want to look at, it shows this guy cleaning, of course, foundation off of his carpet. But now when you look at the video, it's got like their little, you know, the surprised face. It shows that over top of this foundation. So I don't know, guys. Could this be a future spoiler? I don't know. Again, none of this is confirmed. This is just, I'm going through the TikToks with y'all. And this is the SD Lauder Double Wear Foundation. Now the next TikTok that we see is this one, and this shows 2 makeup brushes. Now I don't know, these could have been past brushes, could be I don't know, y'all. But I'm going to try to blow these pictures up before I edit this. Let y'all know what brand and stuff they are. If I can't, then you won't, of course, see nothing on the screen. But y'all let me know if I'm wrong about this.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Now in this next one, of course, we see her putting on a pair of lashes. What kind are they? I don't know. Could have been something we already got. Who knows? And in the next one is this red lipstick. Again, I don't know what brand it is, but I'm going to do my best to look it up to see what it is. It could be something that we already got. Again, let me know what y'all think about these TikToks down below. Anything that I see on there and they're holding a product or anything, sometimes I jump the gun on it, so I don't want to say they're spoilers. They're not confirmed as any spoilers. So guys, let me know what you think about them down in the comments. And of course, as soon as they reveal anything else, I'll keep you guys updated. You know I'm going to keep you in the loop. And as always, BoxyCharm is linked below if you want to go check them out. Now let's go ahead and read that comment that I picked in my last video. Well, thank you so much, Amanda Fox Buckner. Amanda says, hey. Well, hey, Amanda, honey, how are you doing? I hope you're doing well. I hope you're enjoying the videos. And I hope your weekend is going amazing. I really appreciate you coming and watching the video. I love you, girl. Remember, guys, you got to leave that comment if you want a shout out. And guys, double check. Please make sure you're still subscribed to my channel. You know how YouTube likes to take my subscribers and tell me I don't have any? Yep, they do it all the time. But if you would check on that for me, and if you're not, why the hell not? I mean, it's 100% free and it's a gift from me to you. And it's rude not to accept the gift, so you got to take it. So go on down there and hit that button. Then I'm going to need y'all to rate the video, but you're only going to have one option. You can only hit the thumbs up button because my thumbs down button quit working a long time ago and YouTube won't fix it. There's one more tiny thing before you guys head out. Damn YouTube. If you would make sure your notification bell set on, that way you don't miss another upload of mine. You'll catch all these spoilers. And guys, I also do a lot of other videos other than these spoilers, so if you ever want to put a face to the voice, go check those out. And that's it. That's all I got for you. I love y'all so much. I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.